Hey groomers, Tyler and Smokey here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you what not to do when you're packing up your tools for shipping. So here we go. They just shipped me everything in this bag, which is fine for drop-offs or whatever because it's not getting banged around by the post office. But you can see right there, right here, that's a broken tooth. I see two broken off of this blade. There's one broken off of here. So no metal on metal contact while shipping your tools. Take them. Here's a paper towel. It's just laying here. Take them, put one in it, wrap it on up. There you go. Look at that. You can put a little tiny rubber band around it or a piece of tape. This will protect it. And then if you're sending a bunch like this, most sharpeners will send back a blade box or something for you, so it'll be easier next time. But yeah, we want to avoid breaking tools. So hope that helps somebody. Don't just send them off like this. Make sure you take a few minutes to pack them up. All right, bye.